Welcome to another cocktail tutorial. I'm Josh from NJAC Event Bars. Last video we made a June bug and we're sticking with that Caribbean theme, just moving slightly over to Cuba. Today we're making a mojito. Thanks to everyone if you've come over from the last video or if you've patiently waited a week from the last video as well. And also thanks for bearing with me while I try and work out the certain styles and themes that we're going with these videos. It's my first time of doing it, so hopefully it'll be well received. Okay, so where did the mojito come from? There's a lot of urban myths around this, there's a lot of lies, there's a lot of exciting facts and myths. I'm going to try and debunk some of that and just give you the plain facts that I know of and I have been taught. Might all be wrong, but it's what I believe in. So whenever we're talking about citrus and we're talking about rum, we tend to be looking back to mid to late 1800s. The reason being is because there was a lot of activity in the seas with the Navy going across to the Caribbean, and those were the products they would be coming across. There is in fact a beach called Daiquiri Beach in Cuba where the daiquiri was created. So there's a lot of history around cocktails from those times. It's believed by many that the mojito was initially a medicine. So lime was well known for combating scurvy. That was a really important factor in the Navy. Then they would mix that with whatever spirit was available. So when they left the British ports, we were looking at gin, and then they traveled around the world. As they got to the Caribbean islands, it became sugarcane based drinks such as cachaça or rum, which is what we'll be using today. Where did the mint come from? That's where we think it's medicinal. It was, of course, a herb that a lot of people believed in. So it's nothing really more exciting than that, but it's a fantastic blend of ingredients. So why on earth have I decided to do a mojito? It's potentially the most contentious drink among bartenders. You walk into a bar anywhere in the world and you can judge that bartender by their mojito. Often too bitter, too sour, too sweet, not sweet enough at all. Sometimes it's just soda water. There is a real issue around mojitos in this world. Of course, me being a bartender, I believe I make the best mojito in the world. Maybe that's arrogance, I don't know, maybe it's just confidence, but it's what every bartender has to believe in. Why are they so contentious? Well, there's a few issues that I find with mojitos. So often people are starting the debate with, do we use raw sugar or do we use sugar syrup? For me, that's a really tricky one. I'm a firm believer that as much as we have to respect traditions and look at where cocktails have come from and try and play up to that, we also have to understand that products have developed, human taste buds have developed. Therefore, I like to use sugar syrup. It's a much cleaner finish. It's less grainy in the drink. I think that's more pleasing. The next issue comes down to the mint. So many people are just beating this mint up. They are churning it in the drink, cutting it up. As far as I understand with herbs, that is absolutely killing the herb. You're bruising it. You're going to bring out the toxins. Sometimes you even see the mint turns a little bit darker, almost black perhaps. That's when those toxins are coming out and giving you a really bitter taste, not enjoyable for a drink whatsoever. So today you're going to see me using sugar syrup. You're going to see me treating the mint delicately, so we just get that delicate mint flavour coming through, nothing too bitter, nothing too strong. Finally, my piece of advice for a mojito is fresh, fresh, fresh. Every cocktail has to be using fresh ingredients. Do not be lazy. Don't buy store-bought products like lime juice and lemon juice. It is not enjoyable. Don't try and substitute anything fresh out. It's just not worth it. So with the mojito, you're going to see me squeezing the lime fresh in front of the camera, and you're also going to see the fresh mint as well. That's really important for you to understand. We have to have those ingredients, otherwise it's just not a mojito. So this is what it's all about, the mojito. I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite drink. So I'm kind of taking advantage of this situation, making these videos maybe just for me a little bit. It's a guilty pleasure. The mojito is so fresh and so full of flavor, and it just looks so innocent. It looks like it's just a simple, clear drink, but it is packed full of flavor. I'm gonna give it a little taste and describe the flavors for you. Oh, wow. So you have got that fresh lime coming through, perfectly balanced with a little bit of sugar. The rum, of course, we all love rum. It's made from sugarcane, what's not to like? The mint just brings that real freshness. It cuts right through the sour of the lime, it cuts right through the sugar. And of course, the soda water is doing exactly the same thing. It's keeping the drink long. You could drink that all day long, maybe on the beach, just in a summer evening. I drink it anytime. It's just amazing. Absolutely love the mojito. But enough about me. Tell me what you want to see. I'm more than happy to make videos of whatever you guys recommend. We ran a poll this week on Facebook and on Instagram. The mojito is what was voted for, so that's what we made. Start off with the comments. Maybe we can form a poll from that, see what people want to watch. Also, show me what you've made. I'd love to see pictures or maybe even videos of what you guys have achieved. Hopefully you've managed to follow this video. Maybe you've explored a little bit. Maybe the lockdown has meant you've tried some different recipes. That's absolutely fine. I would love to see what you guys have managed to do. Until next time, stay safe.